Hey guys, this is Enrique with pragmaticreviews.com. I have around 17 years of experience in the software industry, and most of these years I've been working using multiple tools. And one of the coolest tools I've used that is more oriented to project management is called Trello. Trello allows you to create projects, you can create teams, and you can keep track on the tasks that are part of a project. It could be a team or a personal project. Maybe you want to plan the blog posts for the next month or the social media posts for the next week, for example. Or you can also create a sales pipeline and you want to keep track on all the different stages from a lead to a meeting schedule with that lead. And besides the fact that it's super friendly and it has really cool features, is that it's free for the most part. It is widely used for software development projects that use agile methodologies where you have a backlog of tasks, you have a team with different roles. For example, you have a product owner, you have developers, designers, you have QA engineers, you have a Scrum Master, and each of these members has different tasks, and you want to keep track on the progress of those tasks. So it's definitely a great fit for agile project management on software development projects. So let's review this tool by using it. Okay, let's get started. Let's create a team. So let's say that we want to create a website. So we're going to have a team. So let's name it website team. And you can go here and you can invite different members. You can send email to them and you can invite them to join your team. You can create boards. So let's call this board website board. And here you can create different states or different stages of the tasks that are going to be part of building this website. The first one is going to be to do. That's going to be the first list. And you can also add another list and you can name it doing, for example. And here you put all the tasks that are in progress. And you can add another one here, let's say testing. And you can add another one that is, I don't know, production, for example, when you publish your website feature. So let's add some features. Create website homepage. Or let's change this. Create website main menu, for example. That could be one task. Another task, create website contact page, for example. Create website homepage. And you can also, I don't know, design main menu. Design website contact page. And you can create multiple tasks and then you can drag and drop the tasks depending on the status. For example, I don't know, the designer starts by designing the main menu and designing the contact page, for example. And then a developer starts working on the main menu of the website. And then you can move the tasks depending on the progress of these tasks. And some other things that you can do here, you can go to a task, you can assign a member to that task, and you can add some labels. In this case, you can say, I don't know, the green is going to be the design label, and the development, for example, it's going to be the label with red color, for example. You can do things like that. So you can easily identify the type of tasks that the team is working on a specific point in time. And you can add different comments. You can attach different images, for example. In this case, you can attach the design of the menu. For example, a designer can work in Photoshop or Illustrator and upload a PSD to this page, for example, or a PNG to this card. Or you can say the design will be ready for tomorrow, or something like that, or any comments that you want to add. And you can also add a checklist as part of the task. So, for example, you can add different items. For example, define the menu items. Define the font of the labels, or first define the labels. Define the fonts of the labels. And you can update this checklist and keep track on the progress of this specific card. You can assign a due date, for example, let's say, I don't know, for Tuesday next week, for example. You can watch the task so you get notifications when something changes. You can also share the task, you can archive the task, you can copy the task. So there are a lot of things that you can do with Trello, and not only the different stages, but also on each of the tasks, you can create multiple things to keep track on the progress of those tasks. All the features that I've just shown you on this demo are free, so definitely check out this tool. So if you want to improve your team productivity, or you want to use it by yourself for personal project, now you know that you have to try Trello. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.